Hello everyone, I am Lavin Paul. This code used the Python library SymPy to solve a partial differential equation symbolically. First, it imports SymPy and defines two symbolic variables x and y. Then it defines u of x comma y as a mathematical function of two variables. Next, the code computes the second partial derivative of u with respect to x and subtract 2 into x into y. After that, it integrates the term 2 into x into y with respect to x. Since y is treated as a constant during integration, the result becomes x square y. Because this is partial integration, and arbitrary function f1 of y is added to represent the constant of integration. Then the code integrates the obtained expression again with respect to x. This produces the term x cube y by 3 plus x f1 of y. Another arbitrary function f2 of y is added because we are integrating again with respect to x. Finally, the program prints the general solution of u of x comma y in a formed mathematical form. The overall result represents the general solution of the partial differential equation obtained after integrating twice with respect to x. Thank you.